You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word correctly. If you want to learn more confusing words and vocabulary, including from the Bible or history, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you coming up. Most common and correct pronunciation in English is as Cyrenians, the Cyrenians from Cyrene. Now, the Oxford Dictionary references one of the possible American pronunciations as Cyrenians. So I guess if you've heard somebody say Cyrenians, they're probably not entirely wrong, even though certainly not the most common pronunciations. So Cyrenians is probably safer, but Cyrenians also exists, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.